What's good with y'all? Today we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be breaking down Summrs vocal preset.
Cleaning my car in the rain. Nigga ain't asking for shit. You know they ain't hear my motherfucking drink. Bitches look like my cup is paint. Yeah, go to the bank and pull out the francs. I put out cologne in the bank. 50,000 for the chain. I'm a motherfucking nigga.
I'm actually gonna break down a song he did with Pluggnb Max on a live stream. Summrs is an underground artist, which is pretty well known in underground, and yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So I got this song pulled up here in FL Studio. It's called Reno Hercules. He did it with Pluggnb Max on the stream. I remade it, so I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna play the I'm gonna switch between my version and his version. So here's mine in the beginning. And here's his. So it's literally 1-to-1 in the beginning, and then we got the hook.
I'm like Reno Hercules riding in that phantom.
I'm like Reno Hercules riding in that phantom. I'm in that fucking bag throwing catch that dancers.
God forgive me, please, dirty my phantom.
I'm a high profile ass nigga, can't be around randoms.
Give a fuck what you mad about when I call you answer. And my money at max amount, I can get you canceled. I still got some shit I'll get a handle in Atlanta. Bitch, give me your phone, I don't do no camera. Diamond shining two-tone, glowing like a lantern.
Yeah, y'all get it. It's literally like 1-to-1. I believe this is his real vocal preset as well, because I took this from a project. I found like an old project of his, and I just tweaked it to this new song. So I think this is kind of like his real preset. So yeah. One thing I forgot to point out is that I don't want y'all to copy Summrs. With this preset, I want y'all to be creative and do songs like this. Is just to help you kickstart your music career. So I do these presets not for you to copy them, but to kickstart your career, to make it easier for you to make music. Back to the video. We're gonna go through it now. So here's the main preset. The first plugin in the chain, we got auto-tune, of course. And then next up, we got the fruity compressor. Y'all can see the settings here. And next up, we got the fruity limiter. It's really basic. Oh wait, I don't even know what he did with this limiter, to be honest. It seems like it's just, I don't even know. And then we got the paramedic EQ. These are the bands, y'all can just copy them. Yeah, pretty simple. And then the sound goodizer. And then for the stereo enhancer, I don't even know, I think he just boosted the volume a bit. And just a little, I don't even know what he did. And the reverb. And the flangus. And I put a de-esser because it was pretty damn harsh. Maybe I don't even need this, to be honest. I think it's better to leave it on because you don't want these harsh S's when you record. Yeah, and then the ad-lib preset here. I don't even know what he did here. I just try to remake it as good as I could. This is the ad-lib preset. I think it's literally the same, but just the flangus at 100%. But y'all will get this shit for free in the description. Y'all just gotta comment on a video and subscribe to my channel. That's literally it. That's all I need. You feel me? And y'all get this preset for free. So that was everything for this video. If y'all want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and do all that shit. You feel me? Comment the artist you want me to break down as well, and I can do that in the next video. So yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.
On the curb, got these white people like he trip. I snaked you, but you snaked me first. Why gotta be reptilian? I sip on the perp, not the green. That's your boyfriend, he chameleon. You gotta know what's going on. I'm not a regular civilian.